The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is shaping up to be a revolutionary entry in the world of compact vlogging cameras. After years of incremental updates to the Pocket series, DJI seems ready to make a bold move with this next-generation release. Recent leaks, including real-life images and packaging photos, have revealed that the Osmo Pocket 4 series will feature at least two models, a base Osmo Pocket 4 and the more advanced Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. This differentiation is DJI's clearest signal yet that it wants to cater to both casual vloggers seeking portability and professionals who demand high-end features in a pocketable device. The design updates are immediately noticeable. The base Osmo Pocket 4 retains the classic form factor but introduces two physical buttons directly below the touchscreen. One is likely customizable, allowing creators to assign frequently used functions, while the other seems dedicated to zoom control, a practical addition for solo creators or vloggers who often need quick focal adjustments on the fly. These buttons, combined with the familiar joystick and the iconic red recording button, provide a highly intuitive and responsive interface, making it easier than ever to operate the camera without interrupting the creative flow. The Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, however, is where things get truly exciting. Leaked images show a dual-camera setup within the gimbal head, a first for DJI's Pocket lineup. Early rumors suggest that this configuration consists of a wide-angle main camera for sweeping cinematic shots and a telephoto lens designed for high-quality zoom captures. While the exact sensor specifications remain unconfirmed, the dual-camera system opens up a wealth of creative possibilities. Content creators could seamlessly transition between expansive landscapes and tightly framed details without changing devices or compromising on image quality. For travel vloggers, adventure filmmakers, and solo creators, this could be a game-changer, consolidating what previously required multiple cameras into one compact package. Strategically, the two-variant approach makes sense. The base Osmo Pocket 4 will appeal to casual users and vloggers who prioritize convenience and simplicity, while the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro targets creators who want professional versatility. The Pro variant is poised to bridge the gap between handheld gimbals and professional-grade cameras, offering a portable solution capable of delivering cinematic-quality content in diverse shooting conditions. This dual offering allows DJI to reach a wider audience, from beginners seeking a reliable, lightweight camera to seasoned creators looking for a compact powerhouse. The rotatable touchscreen, featured on both variants, is another significant upgrade. This design allows creators to frame shots from unusual angles, whether low to the ground, high overhead, or anywhere in between, without additional accessories. When combined with the new buttons beneath the screen, it promises a more efficient and intuitive user experience. Quick access to zoom and customizable functions lets creators concentrate on their subject and composition rather than fiddling with on-screen menus. These seemingly minor improvements are tailored for real-world shooting scenarios, showing DJI's focus on usability and practical functionality. The dual-lens configuration on the Pro variant also enhances creative flexibility. Wide-angle and telephoto lenses in a single, stabilized gimbal body offer filmmakers the ability to capture multiple perspectives without needing to switch cameras. This versatility is particularly advantageous for vloggers, solo filmmakers, and travel creators who need to shoot dynamic sequences quickly. They can seamlessly alternate between establishing shots and close-ups, producing cinematic sequences with minimal setup. Such capabilities not only save time but also reduce the burden of carrying multiple devices or bulky gear, making the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro a true all-in-one solution. While the leaks provide considerable insight into the hardware, several technical details remain unconfirmed. Sensor sizes, lens apertures, and full video specifications are still under wraps, but industry insiders speculate that DJI may incorporate larger sensors to enhance low-light performance and dynamic range. The telephoto lens could also support optical zoom rather than digital cropping, which would preserve detail and clarity. If these rumors hold true, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro would not only rival larger mirrorless cameras in quality but also retain the convenience and portability that the Pocket line is known for. Ergonomics have also been thoughtfully addressed. Despite the addition of a second lens, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro maintains a lightweight, handheld design, ensuring comfort during extended shooting sessions. The gimbal head has likely been reinforced to handle the dual-camera system, promising smoother stabilization and reduced mechanical strain. The joystick continues to provide precise control over gimbal movement, while the new zoom button adds functional versatility. These improvements highlight DJI's commitment to enhancing both creative potential and practical handling for solo creators and on-the-go filmmakers. Software and AI capabilities are expected to complement these hardware upgrades. Previous Pocket models featured AI-assisted subject tracking, automated shot framing, and advanced stabilization algorithms. The Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is likely to expand on these features, offering more sophisticated subject tracking, auto reframing, and enhanced low-light stabilization. When paired with the dual-camera system, these software tools could allow creators to produce cinematic quality footage with minimal effort, whether filming fast-moving subjects, complex environments, or solo vlog sequences. Another key advantage of the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is workflow efficiency. With the ability to capture both wide and telephoto shots in a single take, creators can reduce the need for multiple camera setups, minimizing time spent on location. The camera's portability ensures it can be used in tight spaces or remote locations where larger rigs are impractical. Combined with DJI's mobile and desktop apps, including automated editing, AI-assisted reframing, and seamless wireless transfer, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro promises to streamline the entire production process from shooting to post-production. Durability and reliability are also critical considerations. The leaked images suggest that DJI has reinforced the gimbal assembly to support the dual-camera system while maintaining a compact form. The touchscreen appears fully rotatable, enhancing framing flexibility without sacrificing stability. These design choices indicate that DJI intends the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro to be both creative and resilient, capable of handling frequent use while delivering consistent performance. For vloggers and solo creators who often shoot in challenging conditions, this combination of portability, durability, and functionality is essential. Connectivity improvements are also likely. The Pocket series has historically integrated seamlessly with DJI's apps for iOS, Android, and desktop platforms. The Osmo Pocket 4 Pro could introduce faster wireless transfer, improved AI-based stabilization, and enhanced real-time editing features, making it easier to share high-quality content quickly. This integration ensures creators can not only capture stunning footage but also manage post-production efficiently, maintaining a smooth workflow for professional and hobbyist users alike. In summary, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro looks poised to become the ultimate compact camera for content creators in 2026. Its dual-lens system, improved ergonomics, rotatable touchscreen, and intuitive button placement combine to create a versatile and portable tool capable of capturing cinematic quality content. While sensor and lens specifications are still under wraps, leaks suggest DJI has focused on delivering both creative flexibility and practical usability. For solo filmmakers, vloggers, and hybrid creators who need professional features without the bulk of traditional setups, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro promises to be a game-changing option. With the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, DJI seems to have redefined the Pocket series entirely. The combination of portability, dual-camera functionality, enhanced controls, and software-driven intelligence offers a level of versatility unseen in previous models. For creators who want professional-grade quality, efficient workflow, and unmatched flexibility in a compact design, the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro could very well be the most compelling handheld camera of 2026.